Hello there, Jason DePaoli here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. In this video I just want to talk about don't always do complex circuits and all that whatnot for your training. Now why? Well, all those kinds of circuits and complexes will zap you of precious energy that you need. Okay, if you want to look like something like a middleweight weightlifter or a sprinter or someone like that, you're going to have to tap into the energy hungry type 2 muscle fibers. Those are the ones that are going to be more beneficial for fat loss. Now if you can do complexes and stuff like that, is really good, but you really want to do strength training and start training heavy, not heavy where you can always trying to do your 1 rep max. That's a little bit too out of the way. But if you between 80 and 90% of your 1 rep max and start training heavy and just think about doing it slowly, so progressing in a progressive manner every couple of weeks, just increase the weight a little bit. Now that's going to hit your type 2 muscle fibers. Those are the muscle fibers that you really want to hit, because like I said, they're energy sapping. They're really going to sort of burn up the calories really quick, and also going to build muscle, and that's what you want. The more muscle, more lean muscle you have, the more calories you're going to burn during the day. So don't think about your training like if you're training for an hour, right, you're going to burn those calories. You're thinking long term, your metabolic rate. So you're training for an hour, but your metabolic and your type 2 muscles are going to burn calories for a good 8, 6, 10 hours afterwards, and that's what you want. And then you have good rest in between, and you start all over again. Now if you want to sustain that and you want a fat loss, strength training for fat loss is the way to go. Okay, so if you like this, if you have any questions, just please don't hesitate to hit me up on email, Instagram or Facebook or on YouTube here. Please like and share this video, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon. Cheers.